In the vast silence of our solar system, one planet stands closest to the sun yet remains wrapped in mystery. This is Mercury, a world so extreme, so strange, that even NASA admits we've barely scratched its surface. Most people imagine Mercury as just a dull, gray rock, but what if I told you it's far more bizarre than anyone ever imagined? Mercury orbits just 58 million kilometers from the Sun, less than half the distance between Earth and our star. Temperatures here can soar up to 430 degrees Celsius during the day, hot enough to melt lead, and then drop to minus 180 degrees at night. But here's the hidden truth. Despite being so close to the Sun, Mercury isn't actually the hottest planet. That title belongs to Venus, whose thick atmosphere traps heat like a cosmic oven. Mercury, on the other hand, has almost no atmosphere at all, just a thin layer of atoms constantly blown away by the solar wind. Now here's something even stranger. Mercury is shrinking. Over billions of years, its molten core has cooled and contracted, causing the planet's surface to wrinkle like an old apple. Enormous cliffs stretch across hundreds of kilometers, showing that the planet is literally collapsing in on itself. No other world in the solar system shows this kind of geological contraction. It's as if Mercury is a living world slowly freezing from the inside out. But despite its small size, Mercury has something that shocked scientists: a magnetic field. Normally, only large planets like Earth generate magnetic fields through the movement of liquid metal deep inside their cores. Mercury, being so tiny, should have cooled long ago, yet its core remains partly molten and active. No one knows exactly why. Some scientists think radioactive elements deep inside keep it warm, while others believe Mercury has a unique composition unlike any other planet we've seen. Here's another secret that most people find impossible: there's ice on Mercury. Yes, frozen water exists near the Sun. In 2012, NASA's Messenger spacecraft discovered water ice hiding inside Mercury's polar craters. These craters are so deep and permanently shadowed that sunlight never touches them. Temperatures there drop lower than on Pluto. Imagine that, a planet scorched by fire and frozen by shadow at the same time. It's the ultimate paradox. Mercury might look small, but it's incredibly heavy. More than 70% of its mass is made of metal, mostly iron. Scientists believe it was once much larger but lost its outer layers in a catastrophic collision billions of years ago, possibly with a massive asteroid. That impact could have stripped away its rocky crust, leaving behind a dense metallic core. In a way, Mercury is the exposed skeleton of a once larger world, a metallic heart orbiting close to the Sun. And here's one of Mercury's strangest phenomena: the Sun can rise twice in a single day. Because of Mercury's slow rotation and fast orbit, there are places where the Sun appears to rise, stop, move backward briefly, and then rise again. If you were standing on its surface, you'd literally watch a double sunrise. No other planet in our solar system offers this surreal experience. NASA's Messenger spacecraft gave us most of what we know about Mercury. For 4 years, it orbited the planet, capturing thousands of images and uncovering clues about its violent history. When its mission ended in 2015, Messenger intentionally crashed into Mercury's surface, leaving a small, invisible scar, a final salute to human exploration. Yet even after its end, Messenger's data continued to surprise scientists, revealing unexpected elements like sulfur and potassium that shouldn't even exist there. Mercury also challenges the very foundation of how we think planets form. Why does it have such a massive core? Why hasn't its magnetic field died? Why are there volatile elements that should have evaporated long ago in such heat? Some scientists believe Mercury is a remnant of an ancient protoplanet that formed closer to the Sun before chaos reshaped the early solar system. Others suggest it's the leftover metallic heart of a world that was destroyed in a cosmic collision. So, the next time you look toward the Sun, remember, just beside that blazing fireball orbits a planet of paradoxes, shrinking, magnetic, icy, and metallic all at once. Mercury isn't just the first planet of our solar system. It's a survivor, a ghost of a world that time tried to erase. Stay tuned because in the next episode, we travel to Venus, the planet that burns hotter than Mercury, hides its surface beneath deadly clouds, and may still whisper the echoes of ancient oceans.